Hello, we are back for more fun. This is Mrs. Jones, your healthy living educator. And what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you how to make a sunflower banana toast. Now, the toast that I like to use, can you see this toast? This is called sprouted bread. This sprouted bread is really good for your microbiome. It feeds those healthy microbes in our gut. It's one of the best breads that you can eat. So we're gonna use that bread. I cut it in half because I'm gonna show you two different ways that you can make this sunflower butter toast. Now what I'm gonna use today is sunflower butter. You could also use peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, whatever butter you like to use, you can use it. One of my favorites is sunflower butter. So we're gonna use that. And then we're gonna put on one half, we're gonna slice bananas. On another one, we're going to put sprouted sunflower seeds. Have you heard of sprouted sunflower seeds before? When we eat foods that are sprouted, they're more nutrient dense. I wanna teach you this word called nutrient density, that our body needs dense nutrition to be healthy. So when we're feeding our microbiome, the more dense nutrition, so dense nutrition are gonna be your vegetables, your fruit, sprouted bread, sunflower seeds that are sprouted, they go through a process where they sprout them. They're almost like growing a little baby one, and it becomes even more nutritious than a regular sunflower seed. Same thing like with broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are way more nutritious than regular broccoli. They're both good for us, but whenever you can go to the store and start looking for sprouted products, you're gonna get more dense nutrition. That means lots. They're superfoods for our body, and our body loves superfoods. So let's make this right now. So I'm gonna take this sunflower butter, and I'm gonna put it on this sprouted bread. You can get sprouted bread at Trader Joe's, Sprouts. I think every store has sprouted bread. And I'm gonna put that sunflower butter on. And I'm gonna put sunflower butter on the other part too, because I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make them different. So let's put that sunflower butter on. We've got that on. You can put a lot on or a little bit, whatever you like. Let's move that out of the way. And now we're gonna slice up our banana just in little tiny slices. Once again, if you're preparing this, you keep your fingers out of the way and make sure you have your parents' permission before you do any type of cooking, of course. And so there's our banana. And so now we're just gonna put our banana slices on our sunflower butter. And so now we have a nice little snack or breakfast. And so let's put this on our plate. So now we have one half done. Do you see that? Doesn't that look delicious? Now we're gonna take the next one, and there's two different things that we can put on this. There's another food that's really good that is a healthy fat and a healthy protein. Have you heard of hemp seeds before? Hemp seeds are really good. They are, once again, they're a seed, and they are filled with healthy fat and healthy protein. And let me show you how they look. They're very, very tiny. Can you see that? They can just sprinkle on. You can sprinkle them on. You can put them in smoothies. Look at how tiny they are. You can probably barely even see them falling, right? They're so small. You can put them on your sunflower butter toast. You can use them in many different ways, and they're gonna get more dense nutrition in your body. So I want you to remember that word, dense nutrition. The more packed with nutrition the foods are that we eat, the more we're feeding our microbiome, and our microbiome is feeding our cells, and that's giving us energy. It's making us feel really good and energized. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of these sprouted sunflower seeds, but I'm also gonna put some of the hemp seeds on there too. So let me sprinkle those sprouted sunflower seeds. You're gonna notice they look a little bit different than a regular sunflower seed, because they've been through a sprouting process. You know what a plant looks like when it starts to sprout. That's what happened. These started to sprout, and then they picked them. And I'm also gonna sprinkle a few hemp seeds on there. And so now we have our sunflower butter, sunflower seed, and hemp seed toast. So there we go. Now, is this complete? If we were gonna look at the healthy eating plate, we have a whole grain on there. We have a healthy fat with the hemp seeds and the sunflower seeds. And we have protein. The sunflower butter is protein, the sunflower seeds are protein, the hemp seed is protein. We also have a fruit with the banana. But what food group are we missing? We are missing we know our power foods are vegetables. So let me go ahead and slice up a few slices of cucumbers because we know our vegetables are our #1 power food. So I'm gonna slice up some cucumbers and put them here. Now on our healthy eating plate, it said the vegetables are supposed to be the biggest part of our plate. And so I'm also gonna add a carrot. Now, here is a tip for you. When you eat carrots, did you know you don't have to peel them? You get more nutrition if you don't peel your carrot. It is even better for us to buy carrots like this than the baby carrots. The baby carrots do not have as much, they're not as dense nutrition as a carrot like this that looks like it came out of the ground. So I'm gonna leave the peel on and I'm gonna cut a few carrot slices like this. Let's cut up this whole carrot and put it on our plate. There we go. Here you have it. I'm gonna bring it closer to you so you can see. Ta-da! Here it is. Here is our healthy snack or meal or breakfast that has all 4 food groups. It has a whole grain, healthy protein, fruits, vegetables, and a healthy fat. So this is a power food. This is dense nutrition right here. So I hope this inspires you. What could you create? What are things that you would like to put on top of some toast, on top of some sprouted bread? Would you like to put avocado? Would you like to put hummus? What are some other things that you could do, and how would you like to top your food using your lists of your healthy foods under each food group? You can use that list to get ideas. You can also start researching your own. Even look up what are foods that are superfoods. That is something you might want to look up. What are superfoods? You can do a search on that and see what you find. Or what's dense nutrition? I hope you found this helpful. Have a wonderful day and keep making healthy choices. You are doing a fabulous job. I'm so proud of you.